system and the Chevron system. I'm not a big fan of a lot of the other gas stations because it's just fiddly. Who wants to fiddle around with stuff? You just want to get there, pump your gas, and leave. And I did a little test the other day where, at least at Costco, you can probably do the entire process, including doing a little bit of a top off at the end of your gassing up, for around 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes at the most. You should be able to, do your almost like a race pit stop. 2.5 minutes is more than what is required to do your gas up. I mean, unless you show up at the gas station or at the pump with a full tank of gas that you got to pump, then that could take a little bit longer. But if you are just under just under half a tank of gas, it should only take you about 2.5 minutes to do a full, gas up your vehicle entirely and be ready to go. At least if you are driving a RAV4. If you have a monster truck with, a huge tank, then you're on your own. I don't have a test for that. But your typical SUV like the RAV4 or the CRV should be a pretty fast pit stop. Guess what, guys? Guess what? We are stuck at another red light. It has been better than on the way, but it's still bad. Like, it's 12:30 right now, and Irvine is doing what Irvine does best in the light system, which is slow you down. Slow you down. You can't go fast even if you're a racer. You could be the best drift racer or speed racer, but Irvine light systems. Anyway, on the right we have islands, which I haven't been to for a while, but I do like them. The only thing that's annoying is that they're not fully vegan friendly. They still have some milk or something in their bread or something. I don't know, maybe they updated that. Every restaurant should have at least one vegan option. It doesn't have to be a, fantastic vegan option, but they should have at least one vegan option. Let's be inclusive even to the extremely picky vegans. Vegans. We be picky. We just don't want to